Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to activate Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank debit card. As you can see, I am in the official website of Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank. With the help of SMS banking, you can activate your debit card of Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank. Here you will see for push service, notification of customers debit or credit transaction done on his or her accounts and message of ADIB promotions. And for pull service, customer request for any info by sending one of the below codes to get the required information. Transaction SMS sending charges apply. DU and attested fees will be applied when sending SMS to 2400. Service currently available for local numbers when sending SMS to 2400. So, if you want to activate your card, to activate debit or covered cards, ACTCRD, last four digits of the card number. So to activate your debit card, send the last four digits of your card number to the official SMS banking service of Dubai Islamic Bank. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.